Hello guys, in the previous video we have created our own website and we imagined that our company will be called, or our business will be called, Creative 80 Room. So I have done some changes in the background on this WordPress installation. So these are all the boxes here that we have installed previously, but there are a couple of changes that I want to show you right now. First, I'll close all these windows. I just wanted to show you that I've installed my Elementor Pro because in my opinion this is an extremely helpful plugin. Yes, I know we're talking about a WordPress website for our company, for our business for free, but there are plugins. You can obviously use the free version only, so you don't have to pay anything. But to be honest, the Elementor Pro version, this subscription is worthy because it gives you so many options. We're going to create basically a blog website, which is this Creative 80 Room in this case, which we're going to transfer into our webworks.drts.info in the future. However, for now, I start with the Elementor Pro, so let me go back to the pages section. Let me open again in the front page with the Elementor editor. Then we will create a new page here, which we are going to name as Creative 80 Room blog. For example, we can save it as a draft so we can see what the permalink will be. Creative 80 Room blog, perfectly fine. We're going to save it now, right? I'll show you why. So we will go down to this place so we can easily modify this, we can easily delete it, or we can do on the read our articles. So what was the permalink, the short link for the blog page? So Creative 80 Room dash blog, and we can update this so we can save it, and when you reload the page, now you will see that this actually link is working when it reloads, and it will be opening this new website, this new web page, I mean, from our website. You can see the bottom here in the bottom left corner that there is a webworks.onlinemedicine.bg /creative 80 room blog. This is basically our page, but it's nothing will be found there at the moment. We will open it and we will just see a random page from the template which we need to edit in the future. Right, so what we can do is we can add our some blog posts here. Let's say the latest post. So we're going to put this one, we're going to put this one here. We can put 3 columns and let's put 3 blog posts. So you can see the read more. So we can change it to read less, which doesn't make any sense really. Why would we want to read less? Or we can change it to something completely different, for example, more information, or read more. With regards to query, we can put the posts. It will always show us the 3 of the latest posts that are uploaded on our blog. And then with pagination, we can choose with numbers. You can see now what's happening. So with I've just started with the previous next, so this will show you the next page, so it will continuously load new blog posts. Or we can do it with numbers and previous and next. So you have previous, you have next, and then you have the numbers as well. Or you can do it only with load on click. So when you click on here, you can see what will happen now. Well, you won't be seeing it now because I need to update it first. Right, with the theme, these blog posts, all of them came with the theme direct. However, I wanted to say something very important because I want to create this website to be for the project of WebWorks. I was thinking that probably the best solution in this case will be if I develop a custom theme right for this website, DRTS WebWorks, so I can create directly a custom theme, customize it in front of you, and then give you the source code so you can customize it on your own, whatever you want. You just follow the steps from the videos that I'm doing, And basically in your case, because I'll be writing the whole code in front of you, what you can do basically is just download the files from the link that I'll provide in the description of one of my next videos, and just copy paste, apply it on your website, activate the theme which you will see in the next videos, and then just basically customize, modify whatever you want. It will be completely open source, there will be no restrictions, nothing like this. You can do whatever you want with this theme. I'll create it for you, I'll leave it in the comments, and I'll use it to create the new website for webworks.drts.info. But in this video I decided to continue what I have started from the beginning and show you how we can actually load the posts, or we can do something completely different. Let's say that this one is okay, fine, we like it for our business. So we click on this one, drag widget here, you can drag it straight away from here, or you can click on this folder here, then you can go on to blogs and you can save your own templates, but in this case I will be for blogs. So let's say we want an about me page. For example, you're a young entrepreneur, or you want to represent like a business, this company, that company. So let's insert this one. We will allow the cookies, we will insert it, and there it is. The only thing that we need to change are the colors, so we can make them to fit with this color. So the easiest way how we can do it is obviously apparently is white. However, the easiest ways we can check the color is if we click on here and check that it's the 6xF is the primary color. Or if you don't believe this way, or if you think you've clicked somewhere else, you can just install a simple add-on for your browser, as I have done. Just click on here, it will give you the code, and you are ready to go, which is again 6xF. Right, so I already know the color, so I'm gonna change it straight away here. But you see what's happening. So all these, you can see all the text is pretty much unreadable. So what we can do is we can easily change this color. Anyway, so alter, let's shoot DRTS, and that's where the alter comes, and we've already set the color for the alter. Right. Let's do it as the text, well, probably the text, or let's say we can easily change it from here, modify it manually, or we can set the preset colors for the theme. In this case, we can choose this one. Look, it's perfectly nice and fine. We can easily change this picture here, we can click on this little window here, we can go to style, we can change this picture with our own picture or anything else, we can easily modify it. Then here we have the blog posts, then we can add some more information here. Let's choose a template. Okay, let's say pricing. Okay, what pricing we can choose? Yeah, we have some pricing for our business. Let's apply the pricing for our business over here as well. They're pretty much the same color, so you can easily change everything as I have already explained. You can change the background color. You can modify it, you can change all the colors of the text, you can change the text here, you can sign me up, or donate, or something else, or make a payment, all sorts of possibilities. So Elementor Pro, this is not a sponsored video, I'm just saying that Elementor Pro can be extremely helpful in your future idea to develop your own website for free. Which for free, obviously for free means that you are not going to pay a developer to do it. You will do it on your own, but obviously you can use either the free Elementor without any subscription, or you can decide to pay for the pro version, which will benefit your business massively. Let's go to the blog page, we can do the edit, so we can go onto the Elementor editor. And now what we can do is we can easily apply a layout, we can easily choose anything of those, so we can split into different categories, but in my case I'm not going to split anything into categories. I'm just gonna show you how you can easily put some posts, so all posts are well read. You can put a heading, you can put a text. That's it. We can change again typography, we can change the size, we can change the actual font from here. For example, we can use the Advent Pro, for example, which is a really nice font. We can change the size. Perfect. You can see what's going on. Like, it's gorgeous. You can change the weight. Feel free to go crazy with this and absolutely do everything. So we can put, let's say, 6 or 9 posts in the beginning, so we have 3 columns. And then we can put the pagination on, so people on infinite scroll, let's say when they scroll down, it will continuously load new blog posts, and this will be our news page. We can easily modify it even more. If you need any help, drop me a line in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to join you on your journey and help you create your own website. In my next video, you are going to see how actually I'm going to start creating a custom theme from scratch with my own branding on it. And then I will give you a free link to download the full copy in a zip file, and you can just simply upload it into your FTP server with your hosting, with your website installation. You can find the folder with all the themes, and you can just upload this zip archive file there and just unzip it, and then you have the brand new theme there ready to activate. You activate it, and then you can absolutely go crazy with it, do anything that you want. Right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, look after yourself, be creative, and enjoy web design and web development.